Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Easy Maths with Amna. Today we are solving exercise 3.3, question number 3 from your maths book. We are given two functions, gx is equal to 3x plus 2 and hx is equal to x square plus 1. Then find. We are given two functions and we are asked to evaluate these functions as a specific values. Let's take each part one by one and explain it step by step in a very easy way. Let's first take the function gx. X is equal to 3x plus 2. In the first part, we have to substitute the value of x is equal to 0. They given us g bracket 0 means the x value is 0. So we are going to substitute the value of x is equal to 0 into the first part. Mention g, rather than x we are going to put 0 into the bracket. Always when you have to substitute the values, you always have to substitute the value inside the bracket. अब हमेशा जब भी value substitute करेंगे उसे bracket के अंदर substitute करेंगे. x की जगह 0 plus 2. 3 multiplied 0 is equal to 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Our required answer of g bracket 0 is equal to 2. It's a very easy and simple question. They just given us the function and we just have to substitute the value provided in every part. Now they provided us x is equal to minus 3. G bracket minus 3 means they provided the value x is equal to minus 3. We are going to substitute the value of x is equal to minus 3 into the function gx is equal to 3x plus 2. This is also provided in the question statement. Now g rather than x we are going to substitute minus 3. Always substitute the value inside the bracket. Rather than x we can substitute the minus 3 inside the bracket plus 2. We open the bracket, 3 multiply minus 3 become minus 9 plus 2. Minus 9 plus 2 is equal to minus 7. Our required answer of g bracket minus 3 is equal to minus 7. Let us discuss the third part now. They given us g bracket 2 by 3. It means that x value is 2 by 3. We are going to substitute the value x is equal to 2 by 3 into the given function which is g x is equal to 3x plus 2. Now substitute the value x is equal to 2 by 3. G. Always substitute the value inside the bracket. 3 जब हम ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे 3 multiply 2 by 3 this numerator 3 cut with this denominator 3 we get 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So our required answer of g 2 by 3 is equal to 4. The second function they given us hx is equal to x square plus 1. Now we have to find out the value of in fourth part h bracket 1. It means that we are going to substitute the value of x is equal to 1 into this function. अब हम इस function में x की value 1 put करेंगे and always substitute the value inside the bracket. h take the function x square plus 1, put the value x is equal to 1 in the inside the bracket. 1 square means 1 multiply 1 which is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Our required answer of fourth part is 2. Now in fifth part we have to calculate h bracket minus 4. Means that we are going to substitute the value x is equal to minus 4 into this function hx is equal to x square plus 1. Rather than x, we are going to substitute the value minus 4 inside the bracket. H minus 4, x minus 4 square plus 1. Now we calculate the minus 4 square value. Minus 4 square means minus 4 multiply minus 4. Minus multiply minus become positive and 4 multiply 4 become 16. So we get 16 plus 1 which is equal to 17. Our required answer of h minus 4 is equal to 17. In the last part of this question, we have to calculate h bracket minus 1 by 2. Means that now we are going to substitute the value x is equal to minus 1 by 2 into function h x is equal to x square plus 1. दोनों values हमें question statement में given है. Now put the value x is equal to minus 1 by 2 rather than x inside the bracket. X is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 square plus 1. Now we have to calculate minus 1 by 2 square. Minus 1 by 2 square means minus 1 by 2 multiply minus 1 by 2. Minus multiply minus become positive. न्यूमिनेटर 1 multiply 1, denominator 2 multiply 2 4. So minus 1 by 2 square means is equal to plus 1 by 4. It become plus 1 by 4 plus 1. Now fractional form involved है. It means that we have to take the LCM. 1 के कुछ नहीं, it means their denominator is 1. So we are going to take the LCM. LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. 4 and 1 4 है. हमने इस denominator को 4 करना है. It's already 4. तो 1 multiply into the denominator and 1 multiply into the numerator. Plus there is 1. मीन्स हमें डिनोमिनेटर में एलसीएम 4 बनाना है, तो 1 मल्टीप्लाई 4 इसको डिनोमिनेटर में भी 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और न्यूमिनेटर में भी 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो मेकिंग द एलसीएम से विच वैल्यू वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई इनटू द डिनोमिनेटर, सेम वैल्यू वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई इनटू द न्यूमिनेटर. द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इट बिकम 1/4 प्लस 4/4 विच इज इक्वल टू, अब इसको कंबाइंड फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में लिख देंगे. 1 + 4 इज इक्वल टू 5/4. Our required answer of h minus 1/2 is equal to 5/4. And that's how we evaluate the functions at different values. These type of questions are very important for concept building and appear often in exams. If this explanation helped you, please like, subscribe and share with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more helpful class 9 math videos in both Urdu and English. Allah Hafiz.